Welcome to this edition for the first time in 2021 of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. Well, happy belated New Year. Let's take a look what's behind me. First of all, it looks a bit different now because this roof was damaged during Hurricane Zeta. It had some shingles that were removed, even some gutters that were taken away too. It was replaced by a little bit of a tarp that covered the roof for the last couple of months, and now just this week, as of this recording, this roof behind me had its shingles replaced. Now let's take a look at and inside my apartment of what it looks like to be in 2021. Well, here's the CPWN 2021, the continuation of the rainbow decade, now getting dangerously close to, guess who's turning 30 years old? Yours truly later this year. Now we're taking a look in the living room of my apartment, and we have a red light, we have a blue light, we have a yellow light towards the far end. There's your yellow light up and close. Looks pretty bright on this camera without focusing it. And then there's the pink light. Blue, pink, red, and yellow, the official colors of 2021. And I only have so many colors on my sidewalk chalk that I have. Just wanted to go cheap. This is my smoke detector that just also been replaced recently. It kept beeping once again late last week, and I was fed up with it when it had to beep every 10 hours and then have to silence it. So that means silencing it first thing I get home from work or first thing I wake up in the morning, especially on weekends. So that's been replaced, no issue since. Much cooler in this apartment despite the fact that it's been winter, but the AC is replaced. You can see we've had a pretty chilly winter so far, so my settings have been sent to the heat so that the apartment can stay relatively warm. Now, more recently, we've been going on under a warm stretch, so the heat may not be on as hot. I may have to turn the AC on, but once it does, it will work. And taking a look at the current temperature as of the taping inside this apartment, 21.5 degrees Celsius, so about 70 Fahrenheit. Very comfortable conditions. Now, other things that will be to note for later this year, and particularly during the springtime, there will be a couple more decorations nearby the picture frame clock, where the 29 balloons were hung last year. And just over this kitchen clock is the Australian flag, and it will be on either side the Indiana and Mississippi flags, the new Mississippi flag, I might add. That will highlight the dates that I reside. Other changes that will happen later this year, maybe in the next couple of weeks. Well, what a funny day to do it. A YouTube video to introduce into 2021. Today's the 21st of January. Going into February with this We Are the Church Together craft block calendar that my mom and I made 18 years ago. February was originally misspelled. So I put a white piece of paper with the correct spelling and also in the font that's used for this type of calendar. Well, I'm kind of fed up now, and it's time to make some changes. So I'll be introducing a new block calendar for the month of tailored with the correct spelling of February. And also this round 3, I prefer diagonal 3s. You'll see it in a future video. Another thing that'll be different, I'm currently about 4 meters away, or 12 feet for those that don't know the metric system much, from this 32-inch TV. Well, it will be replaced by a 39-inch TV with a TV stand on it, a custom TV stand that will be purchased online. Now going into the bedroom, there will be a bookcase to showcase some of these awards, as well as this that I got for my birthday last year. So these highlight the changes that have happened or what soon will come later in this new year. Thank you so much for watching this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponser saying for the first time in 2021, have a nice day or evening if it is nighttime. Goodbye.